In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily convert a highlight into a reel on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. As you can see, I got a highlight here. If we tap at that highlight, it will show us some stories that I have added to that highlight, and we can easily create a reel from that highlight. All you have to do is just hold down your finger at that highlight and then select Convert to Reel. That will open up that editor where we can choose a song. We can switch between songs in that way. As you can see, all that stories are synced with music. And once we've selected a song, we can hit at that arrow to continue editing that reel, and then we can change music, we can add there some effects, some stickers, some text over that reel, and once we're done with that, we can hit at next and then share this reel with our followers. That's how you can easily convert a highlight into a reel. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.